diversification, it's how many of the different things that go into that portfolio. Because some people think, oh, stocks is my investments and that's the only thing. That's actually not the way to go, right? You don't want all of your investments to be in stocks. You want it diversified. You want it in different types of things, whether it be stocks, bonds, real estate. Keisha, based on David's response, could you kind of give us some insight into how do you combine, how do you know what I should have in my portfolio, combine the different investments in my portfolio based on age and stage? Because we look across the audience, and I know we have tons of folks watching online, and we come from different backgrounds, we're different ages, we have different risk appetites. We're going to go into that in a minute too. But how do I know how to combine those things all together to really make my portfolio?
So the way I look at it is like a plate of food, right? And everybody's plate of food is different because everybody has different tastes. Now, depending on what, think of it now, buffet line, where there are some people may say, give me some rice, chicken, veg. Some people may say, I only want veg and chicken. There are different choices that are made. The plate is your overall portfolio, but based on what you are looking for, your plate is going to look a little different than Peter's or mine or David or even Kerry's plate. It's going to look different. So depending on what you want, say, you're on a diet, you're looking to cut back, you're going to say, give me mostly veg, right? So you're going to pick those types of investments that are lower risk, and so because that's what you're looking at, you want to cut back. Somebody may say, well, looking to gain some weight, I can put on a few pounds, then we want whole heap of rice, whole heap of potato salad and yam. So they're going to look for more growth type investments, the heavier stuff. Some people may say, I'm vegan. They are looking for a specific type of investment for that. So depending on what you're looking for, your plate is going to look different from mine. And that's the essence of diversification, portfolio construction. The younger you are, you should be looking to grow the money more aggressively. So you taking on more things, right? More carbs, because you want that growth. As you get closer to retirement, you're going to find that, maybe I need to dial back a little because I'm going to be needing this money soon. So you switch into, the low carb plate and you start looking for safer type stuff, lower risk kind of stuff. If you're looking to buy a house, you may be looking to save specifically for the deposit or save to help you for closing costs and so forth. So that's how I think about it. I think it's helpful, what my plate look like. Your plate look different depending on where you go also,
Love it. I love how we're breaking it down and making it nice and simple to understand.